Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share how I moisturize my mini twists. I am currently trying to grow out my hair. I cut my hair last year, and this year, actually 2 months ago, I decided that I am going to stick to one protective style and just really focus on the health of my hair, and focus on retaining length. And so I decided to stick to mini twists. This is my second set of mini twists that I've had so far, and I just thought I'd share what my moisturizing routine has been. I haven't had to worry about my hair matting or locking. My hair has been pretty easy to detangle every time I have to take it down, and so I thought, you know, this might help somebody else who is looking to do mini twists. Just for a little information, I usually keep my mini twists in for about 3 weeks. I am going to try push to 4 this month and see if I can do a full month, but let's see. But so far I do about 3 weeks, and then I wash, deep condition, do everything, and then I plait my hair right back up. And so yeah, let's just jump right in. All you need are 3 products, super easy, and I do this about twice a week, and then I braid my hair right back up. So I kind of double protect, because I'll have a mini twist, but then I'll also have a hairstyle that kind of tucks my hair in. And so yeah, let's jump right in. To start, I'm just going to show you, I was talking about double protecting. What I've done is I've got 2 French plaits that I've had in for about just over a week, and so I am just going to unravel that. I'm not sure if I should do another hairstyle or just keep this 2 French plaits in, because it's been so easy to manage this way. So this is about week 1, and I've had quite a lot of frizz and growth so far, but you know what, once you double protect, it doesn't show as much. And also I'm going to show you the 3rd product that I use really helps with frizzing, and so I'm able to keep these hairstyles in for quite some time. The first product I'm using is this Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Oh So Strong Shine Boosting Moisturizer. It has biotin and honey, so it focuses on strengthening, lengthening, and protecting. Okay, so apparently I just broke this bottle, but we are gonna make do with what we have. I think I used the wrong lid for this. I'm not sure what I did wrong here. So this is the bottle that I am using, but because I used the wrong lid here, I don't know if you can tell, so it's kind of broken the nozzle. I've had to decant it, so I'm going to use this glass bottle to start off with the liquid. And so this is the LOC or LO, yeah, let's call it LOC method. It's liquid, oil, and then cream, but then instead of cream I'm going to use foaming wrap. So I'm just spraying the ends and all across. Next, I have a DIY growth hair oil that I use. Let me know if you're interested in the recipe. I made this, a big batch of this, and use this throughout the course of about a month or so. And so I just use this to oil my hair. And I just put the palm of my hands, warm it up, and then I start on the ends and work my way up. And then I will lightly just go in my scalp. Last but not least, I use the Aunt Jackie's Frizz Patrol Setting Mousse. And I'm quite generous with this because this really helps with keeping my hair in place and looking neat and combating any frizz. I start in the middle and then work towards the length, because I usually just want the edge perimeters of the hairstyle to really lay flat. And once I have a good chunk of that, I just plait away. And then I make sure I tuck this into the hairstyle. This way all my ends are covered and protected, and I'm really making sure that I'm gonna protect the ends, which are the oldest parts, and retain some length. Then I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm done. All my ends are tucked away. I've moisturized. I do this about twice a week, and that's all I really need to do. It's so low maintenance. I'm gonna wear a headscarf now and just let the foaming wrap kind of set my hair a little bit, and then I'll come back and show you the end result. Alright guys, I'm back. I've had my scarf on for about 10 minutes or so. I am obviously going to put it back on, but I thought let me come back and just show you how quickly the foaming wrap sets my hair and really makes my mini twists look super refreshed, and I can go for another couple of days looking neat and, you know, like my hair is still in good condition. So this is how it looks. Give you a bit of a close-up. So you can still see a little bit of the foaming wrap here. So I'm obviously going to put the scarf back on, but I just thought I should show you already. Alright guys, I hope this helped. If you are looking or thinking about doing mini twists, I would highly recommend it. It is the most low maintenance protective style I've ever done. I have no tension on my head. It is so easy to moisturize. I get up and go in the morning, and I'm just really loving this, and I'm hoping to really see some growth. And you know, I'm gonna keep you up to date as to the pros and cons of doing this, and hopefully my sharing will help you if you've been looking into doing mini twists or are just looking for a hairstyle that will keep your hair healthy and retain length. Thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next video.